How to learn coping with jealousy for a happier life. Jealousy is an extremely natural phenomenon that may result in a number of disturbances in human life. Though it is really difficult to manage these destructive emotions, however, coping with jealousy becomes quite simpler when following methods are given due consideration. Coping with jealousy is not always easy. However, just like dealing with any other negative emotion, there are always two different ways to control the directions of your energy. One is positive and the other one is negative. Here in the following lines, you'll find some helpful methods to use your jealousy positively. Though it seems a bit strange to think about coping with jealousy, however, it is really an important factor that this particular emotion can be utilized as a powerful source of your motivation. It's by not comparing yourself with others endlessly. If anybody manages to have something or to get anything which you desire to have, this is really important to struggle for your own specific target. The main thing is that frustration, self-loathing and despair may not restrict you from achieving your target. This is going to cause you unwanted pain. It's rather easy to become harsh and desperate. On the other hand, in learning to move on and to let go of your jealousy, you can develop a positive attitude and learning to create interest in your life a bit more. How is it possible for you to start coping with jealousy? Knowing your conflicts is really important. This frees you from any kind of delusions, whether it is misplaced anger or just that life ought to be fair. Once you know if you're being jealous, it is possible for you to improve your living conditions, allowing reasons of dissatisfaction go. Discussing your grievances is an amazing way of coping with jealousy. The feeling that someone else knows you're about trouble after having discussed your problem with a friend or a therapist make you feel a bit relieved. It's also best thing to have an impartial suggestion on how to combat with your feelings of jealousy. Another impressive way of coping with jealousy is that you should realize all positive aspects of your personality. It is really easy to blame yourself if you fail to get something you desire. You will be victimized of as much negative aspects as much you depend on it and will result into a destructive cycle. The worse you underestimate yourself, the lower will be your chances to achieve the desired targets. Always keep in mind that you possess unmatched attributes and abilities. Write down these aspects on a paper and hang it at somewhere proper place. Though these small reminders seem unimportant, however, in the long run they can improve your confidence significantly. This is really important about coping that you realize that you can get anything you want out of your life. Find out more right now at www.stopjealousy.net. Thanks.